Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to claim the education credits on Turbotax in 2025. This is going to be a quick video and we're not going to waste much time with it. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is to gather the necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your education paperwork, including your 1098-T form and any other relevant tax documents. And once you have all those, just log into Turbotax. That's the next step. Go to Turbotax website and sign into your account using your email address and your password. And once it's logged into your account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to claim the education credits for. And once you have that selected, go ahead and choose education credits as your tax credit. And then you're going to select start to begin the claiming process. And once you're in, you're going to need to enter your education expenses. So go ahead and enter your education expenses, including any qualified education expenses that you have. And once that's done, you're going to calculate your education credit based on your education expenses and income. And once that's completed, you're going to need to review your education credit claims and then submit that to Turbotax, and they're going to take care of the rest for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the education credits on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.